Happy 4th of July! We are over at my grandma and grandpa's house right now. And every year we have a big family cookout and we have a huge fireworks show. So anyways, we're making all of the food right now and we're gonna eat and then we're gonna play games. We have cornhole, we have board games, we have card games, and we're gonna swim. We have a giant pool here at my grandma and grandpa's house. So we're gonna swim and then we have tons of fireworks, which I'll show you here in a minute. Tons of fireworks. We always buy a ton and we have lots of young men in our family, so they like to light off all the fireworks, and we got a few smaller things for Grayson this year. So yeah, we're gonna have a great day, a fun family filled day, and we are very excited about it. This will be like the first time Grayson will really see the fireworks, because last year he was so little he went to bed at like 7. So it's gonna be a fun day. So I'm about to show you all of the fireworks. Those aren't mine. I'm about to show you all of the fireworks that we bought for this year. Did it turn on? I turned it on. It's not very bright. Okay, let's look.
3 of these.
Wait, hold on, Chris. Okay, go ahead. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh, there's like 3 more bags.
Oh my gosh. Did you go with them too?
No, they went.
Oh my gosh, just weigh 8,000 pounds.
Yeah. There's all these.
We got some little ones for Grayson too.
Yeah. And then look at these giant Roman candle
Oh
things.
my gosh.
3 of these, 196 shots in here.
Oh my gosh. We always put on a fireworks show for the entire neighborhood. I'm sure people watch it.
Oh yeah. Whole box of things there, then all these rockets.
Did we get any sparklers?
Oh yeah. Yep.
Oh good.
We got plenty of these morning glories.
Cool.
I think it's like 3 of these. And then for Grayson, all these tanks.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
You know, they roll on the ground and they shoot out.
He's gonna want to grab at them.
Yeah, well, obviously we're gonna have to keep them away. And some of these have like parachutes that they'll shoot up and the parachute guy will fall out.
I feel like we should do some of them when it's somewhat light out.
Yeah,
like especially the fire or the little parachute guys.
Yep, I think so too. So, and then there's
Cool.
one more bag in the van.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's like $1,500 worth of stuff.
I know it is. It's crazy. I'm excited. Okay, that's all of our fireworks for tonight.
It's gonna be booming, baby.
Yeah. Wanna jump to Daddy? Here, stand right here.
Come on.
You know he said ball. Jump in! Say hi. Say hi. We just got out of the pool. AKA some of us. Some of us were in the pool for like 18 hours. But the boys are lighting off some of the smaller fireworks. Ow, a tree just hit me. That we got for Grayson, so. He was kind of scared of them at first. He was crying, but I think that he is starting to like them, so we're gonna see. What, Grayson? Whoa! It's gonna burn. It broke down. It's on fire. Chris? Pop, 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 pop.
I still have all my fingers.
Pop, 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 pop. What'd you think? Pop, 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 pop.
Look at it. It's burned. That's what me and Kyle did yesterday. Is that cool, Bubba? No.
Everybody's getting set up for the fireworks show tonight. Here's what we got going on so far.
Look, I say let that off. I say then we do 4 of those. Sure. Kind of kick it off.
So let's bring this back here. So it's farther away.
What are they doing, buddy? Are they organizing all the fireworks? Are you excited for tonight?
Yep.
It's gonna go boom, boom. Say boom, boom. Are you excited? Clap your hands, say yay! Yay! You're such a cute boy. I love you. Can I have a kiss? Oh. That's not nice. Can I have a kiss? Can you stand up and give Mommy a kiss? Thank you. One more kiss? One more. Thank you. Alright, we're going to do some poppers. These were my favorite as a kid. These little poppers. These were my favorite as a kid. Grayson's going to do some. Come here, buddy. Let's do some poppers. Good job! Pop, pop, pop! Yay! Want to do it again? Pop. You do it, done. Alrighty, we are all set up and ready for our fireworks show. We have my dad and Grayson and Tina, my sister, and my grandpa. Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi. Hi.
And then my mom. I don't know where she's going. Where are you going, Mom?
Stinky garbage can.
Okay, so we are all ready, and all the boys are out in that field.
They're gonna set up
There's
fireworks out there.
Aaron, my 3 nephews, and my brother-in-law, and then my brother. And they're all ready to go. So we are ready and excited for our fireworks show.